How to fix Discord mic not working. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Discord mic not working. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to simply open your Discord app and make sure that you are connected with internet such as your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet or the cable network. So once you have connected it, then make sure that the Discord app will have an automatic update. So whenever you open it, so let's open it first, and then it will have an update right here. So make sure not to disturb the update. And then what you're going to do is simply click on user settings right here and click on voice and video under the app settings. So right here, as you can see, there is a green line right here. So whenever I talk, this green line will show up. So if you cannot see this green line, then that means that your mic is not working. So the very first thing that you're going to do is to go to input device right here. So make sure to choose the correct microphone. So if you're using, for example, a headphone, make sure that there is an indication right here, just like this one, the USB headset. Or if you don't have a microphone, you are just using the default one. So it might be like this one, the Realtek Audio. So this is the built-in microphone on your laptop or your PC. And then, once you have chosen your input, make sure also that you have to maximize the input volume to 100% so that your mic will be or your voice will be clearly heard by anyone. And then you may also check your mic by clicking on let's check right here. So whenever you click on this one, so you may be able to hear your own, your own voice. So if you click this one, a green color will also appear just like this one, and you may be able to hear your feedback or your voice itself. And then if these steps still doesn't work, what I would suggest is to go to your settings right here. Your um, volume settings. So just right click on this one and then click on sound settings. And when you're here on sound settings, you should also choose the input right here. Make sure to choose the right microphone that you are using. So again, if you are using a headset, you may choose headset, or if you are using a microphone, you may also choose the microphone right here. And then for the very last step that I would suggest is to go to the control panel. So just search right here and type in control panel and then search again sound. So click on sound right here and then wait for it to load. So once you have clicked on it, this page will appear. Simply click on recording and try on speaking. So for example, this is my current um, microphone. So as you can see, there is also a green line right here. So whenever I speak, there is a green. And then if you cannot see a green indication right here, simply right click on that mic and make sure to enable it. So if you enable it, then there is a check mark or also um, the text right here is disable and not enable. And then make sure to check these two, the show disabled device and show disconnected device. So once you have checked these two, simply click on apply and click on OK. And then that's it. That's how you can fix your Discord mic. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.